okay, was the time when I got introduced to Be10x, as well as to a new opportunity from a startup company called as VOZOE, which is in from the same field but working in a different arena in the sense of industrial enzymes and some biosurfactants. Okay, and both of them started off together. Okay, so whatever hurdles that I faced with maybe in the last 2022 till 2025 is 3 years. Okay, 21 to 25 is 4 years. Okay, I don't know. I think some jigsaw puzzle started falling in place, and like all the hurdles which I used to have with all other assignments earlier. Okay, with the help of whatever learnings I had from Be10x, okay, I could solve most of them, and it has been great last 3 months. Okay, so my venture started in October. Okay, initially, although I am not from a compliance background, okay, but they gave me a compliance responsibility to launch the products. So they had planned to do some B2C in GCC countries. It just happened because maybe they could see that just a single person, me alone, I was giving a productivity of 10 people. Okay, so the whole regulatory for the entire of GCC country, from starting from Saudi, UAE, Bahrain, okay, and Oman, okay, I could rather do it in maybe just 2 weeks. I could compile the whole data, the regulatory requirements, and what all tests and everything, and I could present to them beautifully, and they were really impressed. And yeah, life has really changed. Life has really changed after getting introduced to Be10x, the AI world, and yeah, things are moving. I'm really happy. In a good zone in life now.
Hi Srijit, welcome. It's such a pleasure to have you here today. Before we begin, how are you feeling?
Hi Harika, great 10x after joining Be10x.
Great. Today we want to go beyond just the outcomes. We want to explore the full journey, where you started, what pushed you, how you learned, what you applied, and ultimately how you transformed. So let's rewind the clock a little. Can you
Sure.
introduce yourself?
Yeah, so I'm Srijit. Okay, so I go by the name Srijit Kai Prambil. I am based out of Mumbai. I have a 20 years plus of experience in life sciences and biotechnology, more into the sales side of it. I started as a research associate, then moved from the techno-commercial role as such. Yeah. But then was in sales for around 20 plus years. In around 2021, during the COVID time, okay, I had some health issues and I was like forced to leave my job, and then my midlife crisis started. I tried lots of freelancing work in the form of business development, consultancy, and so on. Okay, for some reason, okay, things were not moving, and every project was hitting some hurdle and not taking off. Okay, and fortunately, maybe around October 2025, okay, was the time when I got introduced to Be10x, as well as to a new opportunity from a startup company called as VOZOE, which is in from the same field but working in a different arena in the sense of industrial enzymes and some biosurfactants. Okay, and both of them started off together. Okay, so whatever hurdles that I faced with maybe in the last 2022 till 2025 is 3 years. Okay, 21 to 25 is 4 years. Okay, I don't know. I think some jigsaw puzzle started falling in place, and like all the hurdles which I used to have with all other assignments earlier. Okay, with the help of whatever learnings I had from Be10x, okay, I could solve most of them, and it has been great last 3 months. Okay, so my venture started in October. Okay, initially, although I am not from a compliance background, okay, but they gave me a compliance responsibility to launch the products. So they had planned to do some B2C in GCC countries. So I had to look at the regulatory part to launch these products in the Gulf countries. And with the help of whatever learnings, the AI tools that were taught in Be10x, okay, as well as all the presentation tools like Gamma, okay, I could really impress the promoters. And maybe like, yeah, 2 weeks back, they just called me and said like, we are really impressed with your work, and we would like to extend your consultancy. We would like to involve you in the business development. And my whatever remuneration I have, I'm working as a freelancer. Okay, it was interest, it was doubled. Okay, so 100% growth in terms of remuneration also. It just happened because maybe they could see that just a single person, me alone, I was giving a productivity of 10 people. Okay, so the whole regulatory for the entire of GCC country, from starting from Saudi, UAE, Bahrain, okay, and Oman, okay, I could rather do it in maybe just 2 weeks. I could compile the whole data, the regulatory requirements, and what all tests and everything, and I could present to them beautifully, and they were really impressed. And yeah, life has really changed. Life has really changed after getting introduced to Be10x, the AI world, and yeah, things are moving, and I'm really happy. In a good zone in life now.
Okay. So how did you come or how did you hear about Masterclass? Was it through someone, an ad, or a community?
No, like I've been because yeah, I had quite a bit of time because I was like a self-employed person, so lots of time on YouTube. So yeah, one day I just saw one of the Aditya speaking, okay, Kachave, and yeah, I seen being IIT, and it impressed me again. Yeah, some IITians doing some really great work. So I started with the introductory session with them, the 2-day introductory session. Got impressed with what they had to offer. Okay, then enrolled, and yeah, life has been. Then I enrolled for their financial independence course also with the Springpad thing, and yeah, it has been great that time. Yeah, going on.
Okay. So once you joined, what was your first impression of the learning environment and structure?
Yeah, so the best part is like I come from a non-tech background in the sense of AI. Okay, I maybe technical in terms of biotechnology, but in terms of AI, I am a non-tech guy. Okay, I am a very much a layman. So the best part was like this course that is structured is for everyone. Okay, so I see students in the course. I see 30 plus, or a person who is aged 50 or 60 in the course. People like me who are maybe in their mid career. Okay, or yeah, you can call fag end of the career also. I don't know, but yeah, who want to really change because. Uh, Actually AI is taking the jobs, right? We all know that, right? So for and the age group that is in most threat is us who are in the mid management level. Okay, the guys who are in their 40s, who have reached a mid management level where there are, for us in the sales, I was a regional sales manager. Okay, when I was working, taking care of the western region. Okay, so for us, I think AI is the most dangerous, the most the biggest competition. Okay, which will take our jobs. Okay, but fortunately, maybe right time I got into the course and I could learn, and the disadvantage or whatever weaknesses I had, okay, has converted into strengths now.
Okay. So what were the first real actions or decisions you took based on what you've learned?
So yeah, so first of all, everyone knew about AI, right? It's not like AI is the buzzword going on for I'll say for around 5 years. 2018 is what it started off, right? When we started, although we were using AI in Excels and all that for a long time, but AI terminology started gaining popularity only in last 5 years. Okay, and when like ChatGPT was the first one to basically be popular, but we were using ChatGPT as a substitute for Google, right? So we didn't know how to prompt to a AI tool. Okay, so all the prompting techniques that were taught, okay, has like enormously changed the way I work. I have been able to, so not only for technical work that I do, okay, or in terms of maybe if I have to design a brochure, okay, there is some part of now what to call images that have to be brought into picture and all those, okay. And with Nano Banana on Gemini now, and all the other, Perplexity has a very good image creator. So all this, okay, because I can prompt. And so earlier what I used to happen was like I used to talk to AI in more, I think, how 90% of the people who don't know how to prompt do, right? Just some query, okay, and yeah, it hallucinates. But then because I learned the proper prompting techniques, okay, chain prompting techniques, okay, right logics to apply, how to prompt when you are not getting the right answers, okay, go step by step. I've been doing like great with lots of legal stuff, okay. I've been doing great with image creation, okay. I've not graduated yet through the video, okay, but content, yeah. And even for content creation, not only work wise, okay, for social media, LinkedIn, okay, I have started using I just started 2 weeks back posting, okay, and I plan to continue posting, and most of them are done with the help of AI.
Okay. So, what would you say to someone who's on the fence about joining this masterclass?
I would say, because maybe, yeah, for us, I'm in my 40s, right? I'm mid 40s. My time when I was like graduating, or when I was going to a graduation school after my 12th, okay, there was a bus after IT, it's BT. Okay, so we missed the IT boom. Okay, I opted for BT, and the BT never. It only boomed during the COVID time and biotech. Okay, and it was just a phase. Okay, so we missed that exploiting the IT boom. Okay, but I think the next wave or the next boom is the AI boom. Okay, so I think everyone. For whatever reason, okay, be a student, be a professional, whichever field, that's the beauty. I saw like it's not only for a lawyer, a doctor, or an engineer. Okay, engineer definitely would be involved. Okay, but a teacher, okay, a social media influencer, in whatever profession you are in, okay, this will AI will add value, and having mentors as you get in Be10x will definitely double the value that you get.
Okay, Srijit, your story is genuinely inspiring. Thank you for opening up and sharing your experience so honestly. Thank you once again, Srijit. We are so proud to have
Thanks.
been small part of your big success, and we know your story will motivate others to take that leap too.
Yeah, surely, because yeah, it has helped me a lot, and I'm sure that it can help a big population and big crowd. Yeah.
Thank you so much.